Hello everybody, welcome back to another productive vlog. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super tired. I'm exhausted. I think you can see it in my eyes that I'm quite exhausted. I had a very long day at work. Those of you who don't know, I do work at 9 to 5, so I knocked off at around 4:30. After that, I had to go past Postnet because I had a package to pick up. There's a brand collaboration that I'm working on, so I had to go and pick up that package for that collaboration. And then I came home. And then I had a short meeting, a short meeting. It was actually unplanned. I had a short meeting with my potential business partner. There is a project that I might be collaborating on with another company. Well, my company might be collaborating with another company on this project. So I just had a short meeting with my potential business partner. We've been having various meetings. We've had a number of them where we were actually discussing what exactly this collaboration is going to look like, what exactly is it that we want to achieve with this collaboration. So yeah, that was the meeting that I was in immediately after I arrived home, but luckily it was not a long meeting. Just to give a bit of details, some of you might know that I do own a real estate company. I've been wanting to grow the company for a while now. It's been making more or less the same income year after year, so I've been wanting to grow. I just want it to grow now and make more money. So yeah, but I'll definitely share with you guys whenever that whole thing is sorted and is in place. But yeah, it's a very exciting collaboration. This opportunity definitely came at the right time, so I'm hoping that it's going to go well. I'm hoping that all parties involved are gonna agree. I want us to inspire each other and just share with each other what exactly is it that we are doing to level up our lives, to level up our finances, to level up our businesses, to level up our lives basically. So that's why I share these things with you guys. Now I want to go straight into meal prepping. It is a Monday, yes. Normally I meal prep on Sundays, but yesterday I just told myself that I'm just gonna edit the whole day because I have a number of videos that I already filmed, so I just want them to be ready. I wanted to just edit. If you know, editing takes a lot of time, so I just wanted to do that yesterday, and I didn't feel like meal prepping honestly by the end of the day, so that's why I didn't do it yesterday. So I'm gonna do it today. It's still a Monday, there's still time, it's still early enough in the week, and I really want to maintain this habit of meal prepping because it helps me a lot. I don't have to worry about food for myself and my daughter, and when I give myself time to meal prep, to chop the veggies, to do all of those things, I know I'm gonna have healthy meals throughout the week. So I really want to maintain this habit and prioritize it. So that's what I want to do tonight. So yeah, let's go meal prep. I hope you enjoy this productive vlog. I hope it inspires you as well to just continue with your own things, to just continue with the good habits that you've adopted, the habits that are going to help you to achieve your goals, because at the end of the day, that's how we achieve our goals. What we do on a daily basis is what is going to determine whether we achieve our goals or not. Even if you have several side hustles, just find time to manage all of them. Just find time to pour into all of them so that you can see some progress. Continue doing the things that you know that are going to take you to the next level. So let's go meal prep.